Hey everyone! Today we're going to talk about something that could completely change how you use Blender 3D on a Chromebook. First, let me introduce myself and Vagen. I'm Burke from the Vagen team, and I'm here to show you how you can run Blender 3D at full performance on a Chromebook in just a few minutes. Let's start with the big problem. Chromebooks are fast, light, and affordable, but they're not designed for heavy 3D work. Normally, running Blender on a Chromebook is either impossible or extremely limited. But what if you could run Blender at full performance, even on a Chromebook? That's exactly what Vagen does. Think of Vagen as a powerful cloud computer that runs in your browser. You can access it from any device, including Chromebooks, and get high-end hardware like RTX GPUs, powerful CPUs, and tons of memory. No downloads, no complicated setup. No expensive hardware. Just open your browser, log in, and start working. Let's check it out together. Start by going to vagen.io. Create an account by clicking the Sign Up button. After filling in your information, you're in. Give your workspace any name you like. While you do this, we automatically test your internet connection and connect you to one of Vagen's data centers around the world. This keeps latency low and the experience smooth, even on a Chromebook. Vagen has a large library of pre-installed applications. Just choose what you want and they'll be ready automatically. Let's pick Blender 3D, Spotify for music, and Slack for team communication. You can also install other apps using the high-speed internet connection of your cloud computer. Next, choose your storage size. We'll talk about how Vagen files can improve your workflow later. You can try Vagen for less than $1 with 7 days of usage. After payment, your cloud computer is ready. Vagen offers different performance packages. For this tutorial, we'll start with the Spark setup, which gives us a 24GB NVIDIA GPU, 4 CPU cores, and 16 GB of RAM. After quick configuration, we're looking at a full Windows desktop right inside our Chromebook's browser. No lag. No setup headaches. Let's connect by clicking the Connect button. It only takes a few seconds. And we're in. As you can see, Blender 3D and all our applications are already installed and ready to use. The experience feels just like using a powerful local workstation, even though we're on a Chromebook. You can customize everything using the sidebar. Change resolution, adjust keyboard layout, or connect an external mouse, keyboard, or drawing tablet. It's easy to make it feel like your own computer. Let's open Blender. As you can see, Blender opens in less than a second. No freezing, no lag, no limitations like you'd normally expect on a Chromebook. Now let's upload our sample project. We'll go back to the Vagen dashboard, open the Files section, and simply drag and drop our project file. For this video, we're using a real production-quality interior scene by Lynx Design. This is a detailed, high-quality architectural visualization scene with complex lighting, materials, and geometry. Exactly the kind of project that would normally struggle or fail to run on a Chromebook. Once the upload is done, we can access it from the Vagen Files folder on the desktop. Let's extract the file and open the project in Blender. As you can see, the scene opens in seconds. We're inside a fully detailed interior, soft lighting, realistic materials, high-quality furniture, reflections, and shadows. I can move around the scene, orbit the camera, and navigate the viewport smoothly. No lag, no stutter, no waiting. This is the kind of scene that would be extremely slow or completely unusable on most lightweight laptops or Chromebooks. And if you ever need more power, you can upgrade your performance at any time. Now let's save our project and go back to the dashboard to upgrade our hardware for faster rendering. We'll shut down our computer, switch to a higher performance package, and power it back on. This time, let's choose the Lava option for maximum performance. This setup comes with 48 CPU cores, 192 GB of RAM, and a powerful RTX GPU. The upgrade only takes a few minutes, and all our files and settings are carried over automatically. Let's connect again. Everything looks the same, but now we're running on much more powerful hardware. With this kind of power, our interior scene should render in minutes instead of hours. Let's open the project again. Move around a bit to show how smooth everything is, and then hit Render. As you can see, the render starts immediately and runs extremely fast. This is where cloud power really makes a difference. And just like that, the render is done. Let's save the final image, choose our file format, and preview the result. As you can see, the result looks clean, sharp, and photorealistic. Soft shadows, realistic lighting, detailed materials. Exactly what you'd expect from a high-end workstation render. Now we'll drag the output file into the Vagen Files folder to sync it. We'll go back to the dashboard, and our files are ready to download. We can download them straight to our Chromebook in seconds. And that's it. We just opened and rendered a professional interior Blender scene on a Chromebook, without buying an expensive computer and without waiting hours for results. Everything ran smoothly, directly from the browser. Thanks for watching. We can't wait to see what you create with Blender on Vagen.